What's up mga kahigala? Save this video if you're planning to visit Boracay. Balak mo bang mag-Boracay food trip? Uy, gusto natin yan. Dapat mong masubukan ang trending at bestseller seafood kare-kare ng Nalka Seafood Restaurant dito sa Boracay. Grabe, first time kong masubukan ito, kahigala, at sobrang sarap. Craving satisfied talaga. By the way, gala, kung nagbabalak kang mag-Boracay adventure at kung gusto mo naman para less hassle ka na, you can avail it via Klook app and use my Klook discount code Kahigala Klook para sa inyong Boracay adventure and avail up to 5% off discount. Oh, diba? San ka pa? Makakamura naman talaga. Nalka Restaurant is a fine dining seafood restaurant dito sa Station 1 Boracay. Plus beachfront pa siya ha. A good spot for sunset while watching paraw sailing. They also offer unlimited seafood. Oh, diba? San ka pa? Pero ang pinunta namin dito, masubukan ang kanilang trending at bestseller seafood kare-kare na di naman talaga tinipid sa sahog. Nandyan ang shrimp, scallops, squid, at iba pa. And for me, malasa at masarap talaga. Hindi malansa at right blend lang siya ha. First time ko nga matikman ito at hindi ako binigo. Yung serving nila, good for its price at hindi pucho-pucho ha. Pang high-end resto talaga. Definitely a must try on your venture. For me, it's 9 out of 10 ang seafood kare-kare ng Nalka Seafood Restaurant. Para sa akin, deserve nila